Good morning, 10 percenters. It is September 12th, Wednesday. This is Michael with Trading Escapes. We have one or two stocks on watch: FOMX, Cron, and Delt, and CBM. I hesitate to say they're on watch. None of them look great. The scanners sucked this morning. We're just going to watch these couple, probably FOMX and Cron, just to see if there's opportunity to scalp a couple bucks out of them. Otherwise, not really hopeful that the gap scanners are going to be the way to make money this morning. So sit tight. We'll see what happens. We've got about 5 minutes to the bell. We're going to pause this and I'll come back to you at the bell. Okay, 10 percenters, we're back. We've got about 20 seconds to the bell, so we'll see what happens here. Again, what we're watching is FOMX and CRON. Got a couple other stocks up there, but I don't think there's much opportunity in them. CRON is pulling up a little bit here, pre-market. FOMX is breaking down, but it was showing a little bit of strength on time and sales. We got some green coming in there. Now it's just breaking down on us hard. Hit a low of 40. FOMX, new low of 38. New low of 37. $32. She's fading fast. 29. Well, there we go. We got some buyers coming in. Jumped up to 32. Just sitting on it right now. 30. So we 27. So make a new low. Up 26. New low. Oh, got some support there. Buyers coming in. Looks like the bears are in charge for now, at least. Cron, as you can see, is doing nothing. Gevo, nothing going there. Jump on my other computer real quick. We're trading the first 30 strategy. Just want to check on another. That looks good. All right, we got a pull up on FOMX, just a slight. We're up to 32. Cron still breaking down there. 17, 16, just making new lows. Doesn't mean we can't have a bounce here and recover. And a low of 16, dancing in the 20s. Had some buyers come in. Probably force it up to 30. this other chart up for you. Here we got up to 30. Still just too weak to get in yet. Just trying to pull up. Buyers are coming in. Gonna jump on it here in a second. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're in at 32. Hold back on us a little bit. Oh, there's some buyers. You can see that time of sales turning green there. Oh, jumped down on us. Just could not hold that level. All right. $706 is the low. Still breaking down. Lots of buyers coming in. Okay, we're in at 16. Tighten up our stop a little bit. See if we can hold this momentum through this candle. And well, stop that again. And it pulls back. Just whipsawing around. So that level right there is definitely, that 20 level is definitely providing some sort of resistance. We can break through that and turn that into some support. So if you look right here, at that 20 level, see what else is going on here. Ooh, Cron pulled up on us. And it's just getting crushed now. 88's the low. See if you can't get it bouncing the other direction here in a minute. Cron go. Nice move by Cron. 68. About a 30-cent move. GVO's bounced all over the place. See if we can't get some support out of this daily level here. Break over 7. Let's pull down into it. Just waiting to see something on the time of sales, some strength coming back in. It's just not there. And here comes the sellers come in. It just cannot break up. We'll get it. Just got to be patient. If it's going to happen, we'll be there to take advantage of it. So we're right at that 7 level, whole dollar. Got an order in at 703. Buyers are coming in. Buyers coming in. More buyers. I just cannot. Sellers stepping up. And the bears have it. Alright, we're still looking at this 7 level. We pulled this off the daily chart. Gonna order at 702. Bulls were stepping up for a second. Bears are right back there. It's getting crushed now. Pulling off of that 7. That level showed us some resistance to the downside. Now I think it's giving us some support to the downside. Looks like it's providing resistance to the upside now. Let's see what Cron's doing. Lots of bulls coming in to FOMX. More bulls. Lots of buyers. And we're in 704. And bears all over the place. So we'll see if we can hold that 7 level and then pull up. And then we get stopped out again. Some tough action going on there. Down 233 on FOMX. It should show everybody where that level came from. We drew it on here just a second ago. See this level right here? Just goes to show you, and you can see it again here, that how these daily levels come into play. And we go back to the chart here, and look what's happened at this level. It came right down, resistance. It's been trying to, push through it, and got basically our first candle cleanly opening underneath it. Bears are taking over. It's getting crushed to the downside. Let's see if we can identify the next level. We got something right through here. There's a little something here. Right there. And it just broke down to that level. 675 is low now. Need a winner. We're almost at our max loss, 250. Oh, We're 17 minutes into the morning. It's kind of pulled down to this level. Let me see here. See if we can identify anything where it's at. We'll put our price level there, and what we're going to do is we're going to extend it to the left. I'm going to move to the daily chart just to take a look to see what are we hitting. Yeah, I mean, you can start to pick levels all over the place, but this is where we're seeing this come up. I mean, it's kind of a pivot there, a pivot there, pivot there. We'll see. A low of 666. And we have some bulls coming back in. Every take a look at this on the 5-minute chart, the most well-respected chart in intraday trading. You know, we have starting to set up a pretty good bottom reversal here. So maybe we'll reverse off that level. We definitely came down and touched it. Got to pull up now. The stock has been trading cleanly. Our entries and exits have at least, you know, had good execution on them. Definitely looks like an area of support here. The problem is we have this really didn't provide us much. Kind of tore right down through there. So if we can get some momentum back up to the 702 level, $7 level, if we can break over the $7 level, you know, we're looking at 78 as an entry. Let's see what happens here. So we're looking at an entry of 78, get us back up to the $7 and possibly pull through there. Bears are just owning this morning. We're looking for that reversal. And just pull down through that level. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. So we're just still dropping down. Low of 641 now. Let's take a look and see what Cron's been doing. Cron had a run from 62, about 40 cents. Not bad. Where's our pivot going to happen here? Where are we going to bounce off the bottom? Lots of buyers coming in, and followed by a slew of sellers. And makes a new low, 38. We are 25 minutes in. We're trading the first 30 strategies, so only have 5 minutes left here to get into a trade and make some money. Otherwise, we're going to be red again for a loss of 233. We got our order in at the 55 level. And we're filled. And immediately just starts to break down on us. And we're stopped out. Down 316. Get our max loss for the day. Very disappointing. Consolidating across that last level we have here. Alright, so that's going to do it for this morning. Again, I hope you guys are, third red day in a row, hope you guys are doing better than I am. We're down 316 on FOMX, didn't take any other trades. I think we put 4 trades into this. Every single one of them was a loser. You can see, let's look at the 5-minute chart. You know, we've just been waiting for this thing to bounce. We've tried to bounce it off a couple different levels, and none of it worked out. Tights were fairly aggressive. Stops were fairly aggressive and tight, so we got stopped out every time. It's broken down. It's made a new low now, 630. Hope everybody has a great day and is in the 10% in green. Until next time, this is Michael with Trading Escapes.